Hey friends, welcome back to another unboxing. Kind of a quick one here. Picked up some thumbtacks, 200 count, and got these off of Amazon for about $5.50. But seems like an extra long little pin on there, maybe a little bit longer than normal. But that's what we're looking at here. I've got a pack of 200. So if you need like office supplies and stuff like that, Amazon's a great place to get them. These ones seem to work pretty awesome as far as push pins go. They're clear on the top and kind of a rose gold stabby part there, for lack of a better term. Yeah, so that's kind of all that's with this. I guess I could do a little demonstration, but maybe I'll, you know what, let me see if I can't find a cork board to push this into. Well, we are out of luck with that, so they're in a different room and they're screwed into a door. So, but these are pretty handy if you need a bunch. Grab them from Amazon. Thanks for watching this quick unboxing review video. Everyone have a great day out there, and we'll see you next time.